I'm sure if you guys can see that. I think it can communicate without even putting the key in the ignition. Just trying to do a quick update. And okay, unable to establish communication, so that's good. Let's go ahead and check. See if we have, let's redo the communication. And we have a smog. See that? Smog stat. So that's good because yesterday we didn't get a green for the smog status, so that's good. And let's check the guys, check that out. Let's do wow, our little experiment work. How about that? So that's good, right? We have cleared the permanent P0420 code, and we're at 127,257 mile checkpoint. So I had my son drive it yesterday, so it's clear. How about that? So I guess now let's just have him continue driving it and see what's going on. So there's your update. So I do have a 2008 Honda Odyssey with 360,000 something miles on it. I got it used at 90,000 miles. I'm not going to clean those cats. I want to see how long this lasts. If this goes on for a few thousand miles, then let's do another test with the other Catalytic converters. Also, if you're in Tampa, Florida, I do live part-time. If you're in Tampa, Florida, and you need some minor car work done, especially if you have like a Honda. I like working on Honda Odyssey, so if you have like a Honda Odyssey, took it to the dealership, and you're like, oh my God, give me a call. We can see what we can do. But yeah, that's the update. Please like and subscribe. Really excited. I haven't done a chemistry experiment since college, and that had to be about 20 years ago. So it was pretty interesting to actually do a practical chemistry experiment that's not in the lab, that's